Good day, everyone. I am Sheena Lexical M. Tejada, and I am a student from De La Salle University, Das Marinas, and I am a current third-year political science student, and I am here to present the synthesis of my study, Heavy is the Crown, Oldest Daughters Facing Underemployment in the Philippines. The phenomenon of the eldest daughter syndrome in the Philippines is not merely a family dynamic, but a systematic social-cultural issue. It is rooted in the concept of tagasalo, or the one who catches the family's burden, and it is fueled by the deep-seated value of utang na loob or debt of gratitude. From a young age, eldest daughters are socialized into parentified roles, assuming domestic and financial responsibilities that their younger siblings and male counterparts often bypass. Literature highlights that this cultural expectation acts as a caregiving penalty, where the daughter's identity is inextricably tied to her utility within the family unit. Underemployment of eldest daughters in the Philippines is a systematic issue rooted in the cultural concept of the dagkasalo, the family's designated burden carrier. Driven by the value of utang na loob or debt of gratitude, these women are often parentified from a young age, assuming surrogate parenting and financial roles. This cultural pressure forces them into vertical underemployment, where they prioritize immediate liquidity or fast cash to pay for the siblings' tuition and household expenses over long-term career specialization. Consequently, many eldest daughters accept low-skilled jobs despite having college degrees, leading to permanent career scarring. Beyond finances, these daughters face a significant caregiving penalty. Without affordable state subsidized care for the elderly and children, they become the default social safety net, working a second shift of domestic labor. This time, poverty often pushes them into the unstable informal sector to maintain household flexibility. Psychologically, the pressure to the perfect provider leads to high rates of burnout and risk-averse professional mindset. To fix this, we must shift from viewing the eldest daughters as private insurance policies to recognize them as vital economic contributors. Institutional support, such as subsidized care and corporate bridge programs, is essential to unlocking the full potential